363 meditation on practicing Buddhism. Some people do not particularly have faith in the Buddha's teaching, but are interested in it from a purely academic point of view. Yet others have faith in the teaching, but limit themselves to studying it intellectually and acquiring only theoretical knowledge of it. The problem is that the only aim of the teaching is to help us transform our being, not to help us acquire more information than we already have. If, having learned about it, we do not put it into practice through meditation, it will have been completely useless. Then we risk becoming a hardened Buddhist, someone who knows the Buddha's teaching in theory and who knows how to talk about it, but who has not tasted it because he or she has not transformed it into a living experience. By contrast, when we do apply the teaching to ourselves, we discover its true flavor and the risk of becoming hardened fades away. We must therefore merge the teaching closely with our own mind. Understanding and practice must go together. Some words to meditate on, practicing Buddhism. Have a beautiful day. Mwah.